back to your GK class. Hope you all are staying well. Okay, so today we are going to start with few more feelings topic, right? So last class we have learned that we have our own emotions, our own feelings which we express, right? Now with the help of pictures I have explained you how do you feel happy, when can you say that okay, right now I am happy, seeing the picture which symbolizes that I am happy. Then we have done sad, we have done sleepy. So when you are in sleepy mood, so what can be the expression that we have done? We have done scared, right? And we have done sick. So when I don't keep myself okay and I feel very low, then we know which emoji we use, right? So this is the emoji we use. Then when I am happy, I smile. So whenever there is a smiley emoji, we call it as happy one. When we are sad, we are not happy with something, or maybe we asked for something and mama has not given, so then we become sad. So this is the emoji we use, right? And when you see something very scary, so you become afraid of that thing and you get scared of that thing, right? So which emoji we use? We use this one, because this expresses what? The feeling of being scared, right? Today we will do few more feelings, names and the pictures. One, when I become angry. When UKG children are not listening to ma'am becomes angry, right? So I'll show you the emoji, okay? Then we have when we are very excited, you know, mama wants to take me outside, want to go for a party, want to go and purchase gifts, then toys, then some chocolates, cookies. So we become very excited. So we will see that picture also, that emoji also. Then sometimes we are worried, worried about, like generally parents are worried about children. So maybe you are not well and your mama is worried what to do. Shall I take her to doctor or shall I give her medicine? So that also has a particular emoji. And you know, scared, last week we have done. This week also we will do one more picture of it, okay? Two pictures are there. And sometimes we get so frustrated. Suppose there is a power cut, no light, then for long 2-3 hours during summertime, so you get frustrated now. You become so frustrated, you don't feel good at all, and that is not good. We should have patience and we should control our emotions, right? But frustration is also having one picture of it, okay? So without wasting time, let's go and check it out. Write down the date. Now write CW. Then what we will write? The topic name, feelings, okay? So I will draw the picture and you will draw it with me. So we start with number 1. Now what is this, you tell me quickly, okay? Look at this picture. So we can make out from here that it shows the expression of what? That we are angry. ANGRY. Done. Number 2. I told you scared. Scared is having 2 pictures. Last week we have done one and today we will do one. Okay? Let's see. So this is the picture. SCARED. Scared. Done. Let's go for the next one. Number 3. Now when you are excited, when you are excited. Okay, so spelling EXCITED. So this is the emoji, right? And number 4, let's see, when you are worried about something, what you do? Now eye is done, and now the lip done. So what is the spelling? WORRIED. Okay, and the last one, let's see, number 5, frustrated, I said na. So let's draw the picture of frustration. Let's see. Yay. So this emoji tells us that you are frustrated. FRUSTRATED. Done. So UKG, we have done last week few pictures, this week also few pictures. What are the names we have done? Last week we have done happy, we have done sad, we have done sick, we have done scared, and we have done sleepy. Done. Today what we have done? We have done angry, scared. Scared we have done 2 times. Okay. Last week also we have done. What is this? Excited, worried, and the last one, frustrated. So how we are going to do this? Suppose I give you the picture. You have to write the name. So you have to do what? You have to learn the spellings. Okay. I can give you pictures and names together. Now jumbled up. You have to find out the correct answer for the pictures. Okay, this also we can do. Now next class, that is next week Friday, we will have worksheet on feelings. Okay, so I will upload the video. You be ready with your CW copy. Start doing the work as soon as the pictures are there. Then at the end you will see the answers. Okay, so today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.